Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about the Nvidia control panel not opening. This error encountered by Nvidia users is usually due to the fact that the driver of the graphics card and software is not up to date, and the probability of encountering this error increases. If the graphics driver is not up to date, it may not be able to read new software updates and may affect many performances. For this we may need to check if the graphics card is up to date. Of course, not only this problem, but also any problem in the operating system can cause us to encounter this error. For this, we will give you information on how to fix this problem by mentioning a few suggestions. If the graphics card driver is not up to date, it can cause us to encounter such a problem. For this, we can eliminate the problem by updating the driver. First of all, we need to download and install the GeForce Experience program, which is released by Nvidia. After the installation process is complete, let's run the GeForce Experience program. Click on the drivers option at the top of the program. In the menu that opens, you will see the update request if your graphics card is not up to date. If it's not up to date, update it. My graphics card is up to date, so I don't need to update. After the update process is complete, restart your computer and check if the problem persists. If the problem persists, let's move on to our next suggestion. The fact that the Windows operating system is not up to date can cause us to encounter such problems. For this, check if the Windows operating system is up to date. Type Windows Update Settings in the Start search screen and open it. Click the Check for Updates button on the screen that opens. After this process, it will be checked whether your operating system is up to date. If there is an update, check if the problem persists by performing the update process. Disabling the Nvidia service may cause us to encounter such a problem. For this, we will need to access the services and check the Nvidia service. Type Services in the Start search screen and open it. On the screen that opens, open the NV Display Container Local System and NV Container Local System Service, respectively, and set the Startup Type option to Automatic. If the service status shows as stopped, click the Start button below to run the service. After this process, you can check if the problem persists by running the Nvidia control panel. I hope the suggestions in the video led to the solution of the problem. You can subscribe to support the channel by liking the video. Thank you for your support.